Hi, this is Ruben Augustus, UR15CS108, and we'll be seeing the C++ lab experiment number 1, looping. This is the pattern that we need to achieve using looping, and let's go to the code. These are the header files, and I have int n to get the number of alphabets from the user, and I have character A, which is initialized to A because A is the first one here, and I have int space. This will be basically for the spaces which we have here, all these spaces, blank spaces, and here I've given character ch1 is equal to ch minus 1, because when we start printing we'll be giving here we'll be giving plus ch, we'll be increasing it and then printing it. There's a reason, and here we get the number of alphabets from the user here, and yeah, I've basically divided this into two halves, the first half and the second half. So let's see the code for the first half. So we have 3 parts in this code, which will be this part and this space part and this part. So here we have a main for loop, which I've used nested for loops here. We have a main for loop here for calling all these 3 loops, and here we have initialize ch equal to ch1. ch1 is basically a minus 1. So here int j is equal to n, j is greater than I. What this does is it leaves a space and then it prints the first alphabet. It prints the first alphabet here, and for the first time I is less than, j is less than I is equal to 0. So j is equal to n and j is less than I. So for the first time it prints so for the first time it prints A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and so we decrease for the first time. We have this E here, so we decrease it only for the first time. This if condition, if I equal to 0, it decreases the value here to D. So when it comes to the third loop here, we'll have D here. So let me go to this printing part. I have space equal to 0, and here I have int k equal to 1. K is less than space and k plus plus. So the first time k is 0 and k space is 0 and k is 1, so it won't execute for the first line. That's for I, the first line, it will not execute. And if space equal to 0, space plus plus. So only for the second time, when we finish this full iteration and we go back, will this execute. So, and we've increased space equal to space plus 2. Yeah, so this is the for loop for printing the right half. This part will be printed by this for loop, and these are, I've used nested loops here, one main loop and 3 sub loops, sub for loops inside this. And then here the ch minus minus, it decreases the value each time. It goes D, C, B, A. It decreases the value and prints it out. So that's the first half of the program, and the second half we've already have space equal to n minus 1 into 2. That's just a formula that I created. So that's like if n is 5, n minus 1, 4 into 2. We need 8 spaces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what this does is it prints first time. There's just a formula for getting the space, number of spaces that you need. It's here. It's just to get the number of spaces that you need when you move into the second half. So space is already 8. In this case it will be 8 if your input is 5. So we have int L, the L and all of that is just for each loop. I created a new variable. So here again we have ch is equal to ch minus 1. The difference here is it will print only once. Here we have m equals to 0, but here we had j equals to n. So that's the difference. So for the first time it will only print once, it will only print this value, and then it will go to the sorry, it will go to the second loop here, and it will print the space int 0 equals to 1 0 int o equal to 1, o is less than space o plus plus. So space is 8 here, and what we do here is we print the number of spaces and then we decrease it by 2. Here we increase it by 2, and here we decrease it by 2. So, and again this is the next for loop for printing this portion of the pattern. So let's see how this works out. I just given the sample input what was given in the question, that was 5. So 5, and here we have 5. So let's see for some other inputs. For 2 we have this, and again for let's see for 4, yeah, and then let's see for 3, yeah. So we're getting all the outputs fine. Thank you.